So today I bought this 3-in-1 mini vacuum cleaner from Amazon, which cost me around 450 rupees. So let's unbox it and see how it is. So this is what we got inside the box. This is the USB cable for charging, not a Type-C one. These are the suction hoses, which have brush. This one for the cleaning, and another one is for the blower. I think it will get locked behind this. So let's try locking this. You just have to press it a little bit harder and lock it like this. So guys, let's check the power of this vacuum cleaner. I have some dust over here on my cabinet. Let's try. I think it's working quite well. Let's try it again. You can see the dust collected over here. Let's check the performance of this blower. Not that much powerful. So that's it for today, guys. The reason I bought this vacuum cleaner is just to clean the desk, the CPU cabinet, and the keyboard and any other stuffs. So if you want to buy this, the link is in the description. Make sure you check it out. Yes, and thanks for watching.